Hi everyone, welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus, 5 extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Wednesday, August the 19th, 2020. We have a 1-star Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku, a tectonic, and a binary. So let's get started. And the first Sudoku, this will be a number 1369. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers in the Sudoku. The 1-star Sudoku always have 27 printed numbers. So let me check. We have here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, plus 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 3 is 26, and 1 is 27, equal to 27. So let's get started. We have an 8 in this row, and 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then, can I do something here? No, I cannot do something here with the 8, so I need to go to another digit. Let me see 5 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about another digit? 5. Well, yeah, 5 in this third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for a 5 should be here or there. We should see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number? Yeah. This is 3 and 6, 3 and yeah. 5, 1. Yeah. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Oh, no. Here a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between. The only place for the 1 should be there. In the second row, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 8. We have a 6 and the 8 in this big square, so no 6 and the 8 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Then 2, 3, 2 and 7. All right. I cannot continue. Let me see. 3. We have an 8 in this column and 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And now, let me see. 1. Alright. We see a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. Yeah. 3, 9, 6, 4, 8. Five in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see, yes. Then 嗯 Yeah. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. How about the number, these 2 numbers in this column, the missing numbers 7 and 2. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. I need a 9. I need a 9. Yeah. 6, 3, and a 9, 6, 3. 3 missing numbers in this last row. Those numbers are the 3, the 6, and the 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 here, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. One box left, one digit left should be the 9. The 3 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column next, column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 9, I believe. Yes, 9 is missing. 2 boxes left, 3 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. How about these two numbers? 1, the 2 is missing, and the 4 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. 2, 4, and 6, I believe. Yeah. Alright. I think I need to mark some boxes, because I think I'm stuck. Well, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So in the last column, we have a 6 in one of these two boxes. In that column, we have a 6 over there. So in the column between, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 1 box left in this last row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4. How about the number 3, 2. I need a 2. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. The numbers are the 3 and the 2. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 7 These two numbers, 9 and the 6, cannot fill this yet. These two, 9 and the 3, we have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above, so in that row, the only two places for the 9 here or there, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left for the in this big square for the number 6, 2 and 6, 1 box left in this column, the third column, number 2, 2 in this row, 2 in the row above, so in that row the only place for the 2 should be there, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in that column the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 4 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and I will continue in a minute with the second one, a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye for now.